How's it going? Welcome back to the daily vlog. I didn't think to get any footage right here before we took off. We now have the master bedroom tore up. We got all the furniture out. We got a couple pieces. Well, one big piece in here, the mirror and a couple drawers. Let's see what we got going on in here. We got this, you can see here, mattress and big chest of drawers in here, and also some of the bed frame over here. So we are getting at it. Going to go ahead and get this little bedroom knocked out, and then I'll just have some little bitty stuff. Piece of cord around here, piece of cord around there, here cord around, there cord around, everywhere cord around. We're going to get it. This is going to be a matching stair nose. Cock-a-doodle-doo! And it's just that simple. We'll take the top of that bed board and it is going to be nice and clean. Even with the 3/4 cord around here and the 1/2 inch in front of the tub. Just a nice clean look. Alrighty, so we got everything here completely wrapped up. This is, what is this? The 5th day. It took us 5 days to do this. We started Monday. Today is Friday. So let's do a little walkthrough at what we did today. We got this bedroom done and a bunch of little nitpicking stuff. So let's take a look at it since we're all done. Okay, this is the master bedroom. What we done today, we got all the furniture back and all that good stuff. This, oh, come on. This is the master bath. We got all done. I surely like using those little rubber quarter rounds right there for tubs and stuff. They just work out so nice. There we go. My phone has not been very nice. I had a piece of quarter round under there that I liked. We took care of it today. I done showed you all this stuff, so let's go on in here. Z-bar and the doorways to the old tile. I mean to the vinyl plank there. I like to do Z-bar. I put a piece of dark stained quarter round right there instead of a white piece. Oh, and I got that step done right there. You can see my planks. I matched them up where they're, because they keep this door open all the time right there. So I just took and matched up the boards straight out, and so on, instead of running them sideways. Done the other day, so we got a piece quarter round we put down here today. We got a piece of quarter round put here by this tub Again, it's the rubber self-stick stuff. It's really nice. Super easy to deal with, and it looks great when it's done. And again, there you are all set up. So we are going to get outy bowdy. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it is the end of the daily vlog today. It is 4:19 on a Friday afternoon. Not going to be working tomorrow. We kind of busted tail this week, so I am going to recoup on that. Monday, we're not going to work Monday, so we will be back at it Tuesday, I reckon. We got some more carpet to do Tuesday, and carpet store I'm working for got a Stanton rack, display rack in, so we got some nice carpet to be dealing with coming up in the future. Some of it has already sold, so we'll get to work with some nice woven goods and show you guys some videos on that stuff. It's going to be super nice messing with that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oversized load coming. Knocked my mirror off almost. Had plastic flagging out there. Plastic flying all off of his truck there. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in to the daily vlog. Until tomorrow, FBSB is out.